Laview provides industry-leading affordable security solutions for your home and business. Our security systems are designed to fit seamlessly to your life without the need for any installer. Everything we offer is made for easy installation and done completely by you. By choosing Laview, you are taking security into your own hands to create a safer community for your home. Laview wireless cameras are the most reliable smart home security system with full HD video. Laview is easy to use, and the installation process is quite simple. Before the installation, make sure your camera is charged with provided USB cable and power adapter. To set up your camera, first download the Laview app by searching Laview in the App Store for iOS and Google Play for Android. Launch the app. Create your Laview account for secure access to your cameras. Click Register. Read the privacy policy and click Agree. Input a legal and valid email address and click Continue to get a verification code. Be sure to input the verification code correctly to log in the app. Click Add Device or tap the plus button to add the camera. Select Security and Sensor. Click the Smart Camera icon. Click Next Step. It will bring you to the Enter Wi-Fi password page. Hit Confirm once the password is input. When you tap the Continue button, the mobile phone will display a QR code. Bring the camera within 7.9 inches or 20 centimeters of your mobile phone. Use your camera to scan the QR code. When you heard the beep, choose Heard the Beep. The configuration will be finished in 30 seconds. Make sure the camera, mobile phone, and router are close to each other. When the camera is added successfully, tap the pencil icon to customize your own camera. We recommend completing the camera setup before mounting on the wall or any other surface. To finish the installation, you stick the provided adhesive tape in the middle of the camera bottom and place the camera anywhere in your home. Please notice that our Laview wireless cameras support multiple storage methods. You could use a SD card to store videos or use Laview Cloud Service. To get more information about Laview Cloud Service, please visit our official website. Your Laview system is now set up and ready to go. If you have any further questions or concerns, please visit our online FAQ and feedback forum, which you could find in the Me section.